Right, I just got in my room. My room's called Hopp in Tokyo. I don't know how much it was because I had to make 2 bookings, because one booking I had to book through work to use the travel coupon, and one booking I had to add the extra days to get the whole time I needed to stay in the hotel. So I'll show you my room now. It's tiny, but bear in mind, everything in Japan is really small. Alright, so I'll give you a look. And on this room tour as well, I might actually show you outside the room for a change. Remember, I don't think I remembered to do that on any others. So there's a little fridge down there, and a kettle, complimentary waters, which some hotels didn't give us in Japan, I don't think. And then there's this little passageway here. We've got loads of luggage with us because the missus came, and the Japanese yen is really bad at the moment, so we're gonna buy loads of stuff. And we ordered some parcels, and the hotel were nice enough to collect our parcels from Amazon. And then there's this little desk here on the corner, and a double bed, a window, and a big TV. There's me. Hello. So I put on the zoom out camera a little bit so you can see it. That is the whole room. The zoom out camera on the iPhone isn't very good, but I just want to give you a look at the whole room. There. Now I'm stood in the passageway. That's the room there. Tiny, isn't it? Let's have a look at the bathroom. Little bathroom. There's me again. Hello. And the bathtub looks tiny, but it's bigger than some other bathtubs, that's for sure. Alright, so this is my room. There you go. I put the zoom out camera on. On the zoom out camera, look, you can see all the bathroom. That's it. It's tiny, but it'll do your job. This is the passageway here. That's my room there, 502. It looks like an apartment block, doesn't it? There's the corridor there. This is the lobby with the tea and coffee, and then accessories for your room. I'll show you outside now. And that's the lift. Vending machine. Welcome to Japan. Vending machine. And this is where I'm staying, look. Hop in. Ooh. I never say this right, and Mrs. Guns nuts. Neo or something. And that's the building I'm in, look. Apartment block looking type. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. This has been my room tour on my Newcastle trip. Come on the lads. Right, see you next time.